This video was brought to you by Elbilmek, ABRP, Stormberg, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? We are now sitting in an Audi RS e-tron GT Performance. I'm actually doing a 1,000 kilometer challenge now, and I'm in Sweden. So this is going to be a slightly different headlight test, because normally I would do the headlight test on a stretch near Jessheim, but I have somewhat limited, well, not time, but more like distance I can drive this car. So I'm already using up the 1,000 kilometer distance on the challenge now. So that's why we just do the headlight test as we drive through Sweden. And this stretch here is near Tanum, so it's somewhat twisty and perfect for the test. And also right now we have some traffic, so you see we are following behind a car, slowly gaining it, and you will see that it blocks out oncoming car also, and also the following car, I mean the car in front, very nice. But yeah, this car has LED matrix lights, but also laser light. So I'm not sure. Oh, you see, I suspect that that oncoming car was not happy because the laser probably fired right in his face. I will show you soon, as soon as it passes this. So I've seen indication that it might not always do the right thing, and it tends to actually fire up quite powerful light against oncoming cars. So let's see now what happens when we pass the Volvo here. Okay, here we go, and then does some matrix action. Okay, and then what about in street light area? There, now, okay, interesting. So it fires up full everything now, even with street lights. I mean, that's good. We want to be able to spot any moose or any obstacles around here. But see, when it sees a truck in front, it will then not fire up everything most time, yeah, in most cases. But there was one time it fired up full beam even when it saw that there was a truck in front. But I think it kind of somehow lost track of it. I did see it, but the system couldn't see everything. So usually also when you go over hilltops, so this stretch is perfect because it's a bit twisty and a bit hilly, which actually it is tricky for oncoming traffic, or we can't detect it properly. But let's see now. Okay, finally we have some clear roads. Right, pass the truck, and now we fire up everything. So I'm gonna turn off the high beams. You can see a difference now. See, now we have low beam, and then when we fire up the high beam, we'll do the animation, zoop, and then bam, quite instantly or quite quickly. So I wonder if that last punch that it fire up is the laser, and then the rest is the LED matrix. But it shines quite high and quite wide. I love it, man. It is insanely good. But now we just happen to be on a detour stretch because the main road is closed, and then boom! And now you can see better how it lights up the bush. And then, okay, if I do this, and if I go once, well, if I pull it against me, then we just have the flashing. But if I pull it away from me, then it comes on the adaptive. But if I pull it again, then it goes into the manual high beam. Yeah, wow, then the sign becomes quite strong. Interesting. Maybe it has road sign blockage after all. I need to test that more, yeah, in the main road, because here we don't have that big signs. But let's try again here, and then broom, and then pull it away from me once more. Okay. So in auto, this is in auto, it's brighter, you have that punch, and then with manual you don't get that punchy light at the end. I found in the setting that we have main beam assist and laser light. So main beam assist, that's matrix lights. If you turn it off, then you know the light just goes to low beam. But then if you enable main beam assist and then turn off laser lights, Laser light needs to be on along with main beam assist or the matrix light. It cannot be on by itself. So then we can try. Okay, see, laser on, laser off, laser on, laser off, wax on, wax off. So it gives a nice punch. So it is laser, but the laser is not doing any matrix. It's just an on-off extra light. We just passed Varberg, and over here the road is nice and straight. So now let's see. With most German cars on this stretch here, I would get flashed at a lot because the matrix just wants to fire up against oncoming car, and the truckers, they don't like it, so then they flash at me. Let's see now. There's a truck oncoming there. Will the car detect it? Oh yeah, it seems like it detects it. Oh, say good. Oh, no, see, the little slight flashing there because of the bridge. What about here? Oh, this is typical scenario. There's a, oh, you see, we have the middle divider, which partly blocks the truck's lights, so then my car doesn't detect it properly. But at least so far it seems like it's doing a good job. Oh, okay, oncoming car there. It blocked it out in time. Seems like maybe the problem was well, yeah, but it switched it off quickly. Maybe the problem was that it was a bit hilly and twisty, and as long as it's straight, then it's able to detect everything in time and do the correct actions. So yeah. Wait, over here though, seems like the car is not that noisy. Or we have Pirelli P0 21-inch. The rear tires are rear tires are 305. But on the previous stretch at Tanem, we probably had some rougher asphalt. Well, I can change lane. Oh no, I should be in the left lane. What the heck are you doing? Audi drivers, they have to hug the left lane all day long. This is a more realistic test. Yeah. Oncoming truck. Detected it right away. What about there? There's a bridge coming here. Will the bridge block part of it? And then there. Oh, it flashed. I mean, it started firing up slightly, and then it turned down. So what now? Can it detect multiple objects? Yeah, seems like it. You have to wait for some big signs by the road also. Now you see it fire full now against the oncoming traffic. Eventually they don't like it, they're gonna fire the high beam at us. Whoa, come on, there. Oh, that was a bit late. Oh, yeah, but on the other hand, you're supposed to have high beam on for some distance. Well, your light cone should, once your light cone hits the other light cone roughly, right, distance-wise, that's when you're supposed to turn them off. But I feel like headlights nowadays, they're becoming so strong that oncoming traffic, they just don't like it. They feel blinded, even though you're supposed to keep them on for a while, you know, for safety. Okay, turn off in time. Somewhat far. Wait. Car cannot detect my rotation properly. Here we have a big road sign. It seems to shine on it, but not too strong. What about here? Yeah. It's not over strong. But also this is what I'm looking for. When we are approaching trucks or whatever vehicle, will it then detect it in time and lower the intensity? Yes, it does. So unlike the Nio EL8 I tried recently, in this distance to the truck in front, it will still keep full beam on, which annoyed the truck in front. So here it seems like it is also doing the right thing. But then after we pass this truck, then it should fire up everything, right? Let's see then. Okay. And then... Oh, now we just hit the concrete surface also. There, now it fired up everything. Let's move over to the right lane. Yeah, okay, well done. I think that completes the test. So overall, nice and strong headlights. Of course, it's not perfect, but wait, it's too noisy. Let me move over to the left lane where the Audi belongs. Does mostly the right. Wait, what's about this? Oh shit! Okay, most of the time gets things right. Oh, it's gonna fire up again. Yeah. So you see, that's what I was looking for. It couldn't detect the oncoming truck, or it didn't care. The algorithm was supposed to still keep the high beam on, but then the trucks, they don't like it, and then bam! Yeah, and they have powerful LED bars or LED. They were so. Yeah, but overall, pretty good. Yeah, very good spread, very good strength, and that laser thing. I'm not sure where it happens, but it is amazing, man. Yeah. So eventually, if I can borrow another RS e-tron, well, whatever, e-tron GT, I mean, e-tron GT doesn't have to be a performance RS, whatever. I can do another headlight test, but they might, and that car might not have the full package though. So that's always a dilemma. But this car I have now has limited kilometers I can drive. Yeah, the press car. So that's why we ended up doing it over here. But anyway, well, car seems like steering wheel is not sensitive enough. I have to kind of do it like this almost, you know, to hey, I'm here, you know. It bugged me to hold the steering wheel. I had a hella steering wheel, but I think I had too steady course, so there was not enough rotation. So, but okay, anyway, I think that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.